Hello, I'm Hudson Valley Community College astronomer Richard Monda. Welcome to a special edition of Eyes on the Sky, Rendezvous with an Asteroid. NASA will be launching its next interplanetary mission on September 8th to an asteroid named Bennu. This is a scientifically interesting and yet potentially hazardous asteroid because it crosses the orbit of the Earth every 6 years. Fortunately, Earth usually isn't there when Bennu comes by, but in 2135, Bennu will pass between the Earth and the Moon. That's less than 250,000 miles away. Of great concern is that the gravity of the Earth will slightly deflect this asteroid when it comes by in 2135. This will alter the asteroid's orbit enough to put it on a possible collision course with Earth later in the 22nd century. Currently, NASA puts the chance of Bennu striking the Earth at about 1 in 2,700. That may not seem like much, but Bennu has one of the greatest chances of striking the Earth of any known space object. This is one of the reasons why NASA is sending a spacecraft named OSIRIS-REx to Bennu. The mission will also return a sample of the asteroid's surface back to the Earth. From these studies, we can better understand the structure of Bennu to help mitigate any potential collision with Earth in the future. OSIRIS-REx will take 2 years to reach Bennu. Then it will study this asteroid for 2 more years while orbiting only 3 miles above its surface. In July of 2020, OSIRIS-REx will move within 15 feet of Bennu, and the spacecraft will extend its robotic arm to retrieve a sample of the asteroid's surface. A sampling collector at the end of the robotic arm will only be allowed 5 seconds of contact with the surface to avoid any danger of the spacecraft colliding with the asteroid. The sample is then stored in a return capsule. OSIRIS-REx will leave Bennu in 2021 and will reach Earth in 2023. As the spacecraft approaches Earth, it will not land but release its sample return capsule. That capsule will hit the Earth's atmosphere at over 27,000 miles per hour, but its heat shield will absorb most of that energy. The capsule will fall to about 2 miles above the Earth, and then its parachute will open. It will land in the Utah Test and Training Range, similar to the Stardust mission that returned samples from a comet in January of 2006. OSIRIS-REx is a good name for this mission because Osiris is the lord of the underworld and the king of the dead in ancient Egyptian mythology. Since Bennu could someday impact the Earth, such a collision is capable of killing life planet-wide. In addition, Rex translates from Latin as king. But Bennu is also a special asteroid because it is of great scientific interest. It is what scientists who study meteorites call a carbonaceous asteroid, and such asteroids are considered time capsules, preserving the early organic molecules as well as the water ice that were present when our solar system began. These are key components for life and have been found in meteorite and comet samples. I'm Hudson Valley Community College astronomer Richard Monda, reminding you to keep your eyes on the sky.